Hello students, today we are going to see some laws of reflection through spherical mirrors, refraction through spherical lens and prism, and later the dispersion of white light. Now let's begin. Here I have concave mirror and a fitting stand made by me. Let's turn off the light and shine the parallel laser beam towards the concave mirror. Here we can see the incident light from the laser is made converged at a point called focus. You can shine the light from any of the side. Now we have convex mirror whose shiny surface is bulged out. Let's fit this in this stand. Now turn off the light, shine the parallel laser beam towards the convex mirror. Now here we can see the parallel incident rays are diverged by the convex mirror. You can see clearly the divergence. You can use even single laser beam, but by using two lasers we can compare the divergence. I hope path of the rays are clearly visible. This time I have convex lens with me, which is thin from the outside and thick at the center. Now when light fall from the right side, then they will be observed on the left side. Here I am using some smoke. So let's shine the laser beam. Here we can see the parallel incident beam is converged at a point called focus on the other side of lens. Whenever parallel beam falls on the convex lens, then these rays are converged on one point. You can clearly see the convergence point on the left side of the lens. Now we have concave lens, which is thicker at the outer edges and thin at the center. Place it on the stand, and after turning off the light, when we fall the parallel beam of light from the right side, then beam gets diverged by the concave lens. So let's see. Here we can see the parallel beam from the right side using laser sources, and two parallel beams get diverged by the lens. This divergence is very clear. So now take a triangular prism whose two faces are equilateral triangle and other three faces are rectangle. So there are rectangles on three sides. Now if we shine laser beam from the right side, then we can see the deviation of laser beam from its original path. Here you can see the original path was horizontal, about horizontal, whereas the diverged beam is moving in the upward direction, leftward upward direction. Now at last, see the dispersion of white light sourced by the mobile phone torch. See the beautiful pattern Vibgyor on the whiteboard. It is not difficult to find this beautiful pattern. However, it may not be clearly visible in the video, but when you perform this in front of you, then it's clearly visible. Now can you see the path of rays, or can you see the light between the source of object? If your answer is no, then you are correct. So let's see the situation by an example. As you all know, in daytime sun is the sufficient source of the light to see the objects. Here the girl can see the car clearly because our environment is completely filled with the light thrown by the sun toward the earth. But girl can see the car only, not the light filled in the space between the girl and the car. Now in the video we were able to see the light or the path of light. But how? What is this phenomena called? Think about it. It is related to the smoke that I have used throughout the experiment and Professor C.V. Raman. Thank you.